Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So you can find all the lessons on eplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Then scroll down to grade 6 maths and we're going to start with the chapter percents. We are already working on the chapter percents. So let's start with the lesson. The lesson we're going to start with is find the total given a part and a find the total given a part and a percent. A part and a percent. Got it? So let's start with the examples. Please make sure you have your notebook, pencil, and notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important ones as well. Start with the example. Okay, the first example is 100% of what number equals 42? Okay, 100% of what number equals 42? So 100% means 100% is a 100% is the entire number. Got it? So that means if you see 100% of 42 is 42. Got it? Let's just check by using the form the proportion and let's check. You have to find the whole number. You are not given with the whole number. You have to find. Got it? You are given with a percentage, that is 100%, and the part is 42. You have to 42 is the part of a whole number. You have to find actually the whole number. Got it? You have to make the just form the proportion. Got it? So whole number divided by the 42? No, part divided by whole number. 42 divided by the whole number and 100 divided by 100 because it is 100%. Got it? Let's just do cross multiplication. It would be 100 times 42 and 100 times the whole number. So whole number equals 100 times 42 over 100. So just 100 and 100 cancel out each other and we are left with 42. That means the 42 100% of 42 is 42. Got it? Okay, let's just do another example. Oh, let's start with a test. Okay, 50% of what number is 4? Got it? So let's start with the one. 50% of what number equals 4? Got it? So that's the percentage, 50%. You have to find a whole number and the part of the whole number is 4 and the percentage is 50%. Got it? Let's just form a proportion. You need to find the whole number. So it would be, or either you can say the n, you have to find the n. Do not confuse between the just form the proportion. 4 divided by the whole number, because it is the part of the whole number, so you always write the complete numbers in the denominator and the part of the number in the numerator. So it would be 4 divided by the whole number, and then you have 50 divided by 100. Got it? Let's just do cross multiplication. W times 50 equals 100 times 4. 100 times 4 is 200, and divide 50 to the other side, so it would be 5 times 4 is 20 and 40. That means 50%, 40, it is 400, not 200. It would be 5 times 0 and 0, 5 times 8 is 40. That means 50% of 8 is 4. 50% means exactly half, so half of 8 is 4. Got it? So the correct option is 8. That means the number is 8, and 50% of the 8 is 4. Got it? Okay, the next one is 100% of what number equals 35. So 100% means the complete number, the entire number. So 100% of 35 is 25. Got it? 35 is 35. Okay, the next number is 16 is 50% of what number? 50% means half. So 16 is half of what number? 16 is 50% of 32, but let's just use calculations and find the value. Got it? 16 is 16 is 50% of what number? Got it? So 16 is the part. This is the percentage. You have to find the whole number actually. So you have to form the proportion. It would be 16 divided by the whole number, and it is 15 divided by 100. Got it? Just to cross multiplication, it would be 16 times 100 equals 50 times W. So it is 1600 divided by 5. Got it? Not 5, it is 50. So 1600 divided by 50 is 32. That means the number is 32. 50% of 32 is 16. Got it? Okay, let's just do move on to the next question. So the next one is 50% of what number equals 15? 50% of what number equals 15? Again, you have to find the whole number. You are given with a part, so it just form a proportion. It would be 15 divided by the missing number, because you don't know 15 is what part of the missing number, and you have to find the 50 divided by 100. Just to cross multiplication, so it would be 15 times 100 and W times 50. So it would be 1500 divided by 50. So 1500 divided by 50 is 30. Got it? 15% of 30 is 15. You can see 15 is half of 30, isn't it? So it would be 50% of 30 is 15. Got it? Okay. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 16 is 100% of what number? So again, the 100% means the entire number, the complete number. So 16 is 100% of 16. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to the next topic. The next topic is, I think, the final test of the chapter percents. Let's start with the final test. Yes, it is. Let's start with the final test of the topic. Okay, $4 is what percent of 8? You have to find $4 is what percent of 8. Okay, this is the part of this whole number. Got it? You have to find the percentage. So you can say 4 out of 8 because 4 is the part of 8. You have the missing n is you don't have 5% and divided by 100. Got it? Let's just do cross multiplication. It would be 4 times 100 equals 8 times n. It would be 400 divided by 8. 8 times 5 is 40, 50. That means 4 is the 50% of 8. You can see 4 is exactly half of 8, isn't it? That means 4 is 50% of 8. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Complete the following statement. 100% of 22 is 100% of 22 is 22. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the city council voted a new tax. The council has 14 members and 50% of the council members voted in favor of the new tax. How many members voted in favor of the tax? So 50% of 14 is 7. That means 7 of the members voted for the new tax. Got it? Okay, 25% of 8 you have to find. 25% of 8. So this is the whole number. This is the percentage. You have to find the part of 8. Got it? It would be n divided by 8 equals 25 divided by 100. Got it? So you have to do cross multiplication. It would be 100 times 8. Sorry, 100 times n equals 25 times 8. 25 times 8 is 200. So just divide it by the 100. So 200 divided by 100 is 2. That means 25% of 8 is 2. Got it? Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, recently half of the items sold of at Lisa's Sporting Goods are baseball caps and Heather's Sports. 41% of the items were sold baseball caps, which store hold a greater percentage of the baseball caps. So just convert both of the half and 41%. Convert the half into percentage form, got it? Because you can compare if they when they are in the same form and 41%. So 1 by sorry, it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0 0.5 and 0 0.5 times 100 is 50%. So who has a greater value? 50% is greater. So that means Sporting Good has the greater percentage for the baseball caps. Got it? 14 is what percent of 56? 14 is, okay, this is the complete number, whole number, and this is the part you have to find the percentage. Got it? It would be 14 over 56 equals and divided by 100. Just do cross multiplication, it would be 14 times 100 divided by 56. Got it? So it would be 1400 divided by 56, 25. That means 14 is 25% of 56. Got it? So correct option is 25%. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 31% and 33%. 31 is less than 33. Got it? %31 is less than 33%. Okay, the next one is 50% of what number is 12? 50% means half. So 12 is half of what number? So the correct option is 24. 50% of 24 is 12. Got it? Okay, complete the following statement. 30% of 12 is, let's just calculate 30% of 20, sorry. Let's just calculate 30% of 20. 20 is the whole number. You have to find a part of 20. So it would be n over 20 equals 30 divided by 100. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. It would be 30 times 20 over 100. So it would be 6. That means 30% of 20 is 6. Got it? The correct option is $6. Okay, you can complete the self by yourself, complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to, it would be 6, Nancy. You can see the board here. I have solved it on the board. Here 20 is the whole number. You have to find the part of the 20. You have to form the proportion. It would be n over 20 and equals 30 over 100. So 30% of 20 is 6. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just move on. Let me just move on to the next topic. Next topic means next chapter. Let's just click on back button. Let's see which one is the next. The next one is mixed operations, order of operations. Let's start with the topic. Let's start with the first topic, add, multiply. Okay, let's start with the next topic, that is mixed operations. And the topic we're going to start with is add, subtract, multiply, or divide two whole numbers. Let's start with the topic. You have to multiply 785. Let me write down the lesson name on the board and then we'll start. Okay, the lesson name is add, subtract, multiply, or divide two whole numbers. Add, subtract, add, subtract, multiply, and divide whole numbers. So let's start with the first example. It would be related to multiplication. So you have to do 785, I think 785 times 3. So we already know how to multiply. Start multiplying. You have to start from the rightmost digit. 3 times 5 is 15. Write a 5 over here. Carry 1. 3 times 8 is 24, and 24 plus 1 is 3 times 8 is 20. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 8 is 24, and 125. Write 5 here and carry 2. 3 times 7 is 21. 22, 23. So it would be 2355. Got it? Let's start with test because you already know how to add, subtract, and multiply numbers. You have to divide 49 by 7. 49 divided by 7 equals 7 times 7 is 49. Got it? So the correct option is 7. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you have to add. So start adding from the rightmost digit. So 1 plus 1 makes 66,631. 66,631 and plus 6,251. 1 plus 1 makes 2. 5 plus 3 makes 8. 6 plus 2 makes 8. 6 plus 2 makes 6 plus 6 makes 12. Write 2 here and carry 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So it would be 72,882. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you have to divide 9,111 divided by 3. 9,111 divided by 3. Okay, start counting the table of 3 until we get 9. 3 times 3 makes 9, and 9 subtract 9 makes 0. Bring the 1 down, but you cannot divide 1 by 3. You have to add 0 over here and bring the next digit down. Now you can count 3 till 11. So 3 times 3 makes 9, and 11 minus 2 is 9 minus 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. Bring the last digit down, it would be 1. So start count 3 to 21. 3 times what number is 21? 3 times 7 is 21. So it would be 3037. The first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to subtract. So 9 subtract 4 is 5. 5 subtract 3 is 2. 9 subtract 5 is 4. 5 subtract 1 is 4 and 1. It would be 14,425. Okay, the next one you have to divide 49,679 by 49,679. Okay, 7 times you have to make 49. 7 times what number is 49? 7 times 7 is 49. Bring the 6 down. You cannot divide 6 by 7. You have to bring another digit down, so put a 0 over here. 7 times 9 is 63. So 63, 7 subtract 3 is 4. Bring the 9 down, so it would be 7 times 7 is 49. Got it? So it would be 7,097. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to add 3 plus 0 is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 7 plus 7 is 49. Got it? 7 plus 7 is 14. You have to add, not multiply. 4 and carry 1. So it would be 6,433. Got it? Okay, you have to divide 8 by 4. 4 times what number is 8? 4 times 2 is 8. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, again you have to add 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 14. Write 4 and carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 0. Then you have 5 plus 5 is 10, 0 and 1 carry 6 plus 1, 7 and 4. So it would be 47,047. That would be the last option. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Again you have to add 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 2 is 11. 7 plus 3 is 10 and 1, 11. Then you have 9, 10, 11. So it would be the first option, 13,133, 113. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Got it? The next topic is add, subtract, multiply, and divide two whole numbers word problems. That's exactly the same, but now you have the word problems. A tour group has 98,124 to buy train tickets. Each ticket costs $6. How many train tickets can group buy? You have to divide 98,124 by 6. 98,000. 98,124 divided by 6. So 6 times 1 is 6. 9 subtract 6 is 3. Bring 8 down. 6 subtract 6 times 6 is 36. You have 2. Bring the 1 down. So it would be 6 times 3 is 18. 21 subtract 18 is 3. Bring the 2 down. 6 times 5 is 30. 32 subtract 2 is 30 is 2 and bring 4 down. 6 times 4 is 24. So it would be 16,354. So correct option is okay. We are on the tutorial. Let's just start with the test. A crayon company recently changed its label. Its current has it currently has 1554 crayons with old label and 5094 crayons with a new label. How many how many crayons does the company have in stock? That means you have to add both of them. Got it? So you have to add 1544 plus 5094, 1544. 1544 and plus 5094. 5094. You have to add 4 plus 4 is 8, 9 plus 4 is 13, write 3 and 1 carry, 5 plus 1 is 6, 3, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 5 plus 1 is 6. It would be 66, 6638. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. A summer camp has 84 campers. If 7 campers can sleep in each cabin, how many cabin will campers need? So what you have to do? So you have to divide. So 7 times what number is 84? You have to divide 84 by 7. So 7 times 1 is 7. 8 subtract 7 is 1, bring 4 down. 7 subtract 2 is 14. That means it is 12. Got it? So 12 is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, there are 4 students in a concert. If there are 2 seats in each row, how many rows will the students need? Four divided by 2 is 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Harrington Accounting wants to buy 72,114 chocolate truffles for a party. If there are 7 truffles in each row, how many boxes of truffles should the company buy? So you have to divide 72,114 by 7 times 1 is 7. 7 subtract 7 is 0. Bring the 2 down. We cannot divide 2 by 7. So you have to bring another digit down. So when you bring 2 digits on the same step down, you have to add 0 to the answer. Got it? 7 times 3 is 21. 0. Bring the 1 down. Again, you cannot divide 1 by 0. So you have to add 0 here and bring 4 down. So then 7 subtract 2 is 14. It would be 10,302. Okay, the next one is a group of 8 business people need to take shuttle van to the airport. If each shuttle can take 8 people, how many shuttle vans will the business people need? Just one, because the shuttle can take 8 people. So 8 divided by 8 is 8 divided by 8 is 1. So you just need one shuttle. Got it? Okay, a cell phone company has 8,820 customers in the United States and 727 customers in other countries. In total, how many customers does it have? You have to add actually 8820 plus 8820 plus 727. Got it? So 7 plus 0 is 7, 2 plus 2 is 4, 8 plus 7 is 15, and 8 plus 1 is 9. It would be 9547. Got it? Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Brian organized a walk for charity that was 5 miles long. Of those who started, 5,904 people completed the walk. How many miles were walked in all by those who completed the walk? So you have to do 5,904 times 5. Got it? Because you have to calculate the total miles. So you have to multiply the 5 miles because each of them walked 5 miles. Got it? 5 times 4 is 20. Write 0 over here and carry 2. 5 times 0 is 0 and you have to. 5 times 9 is 45. Write 5 over here and carry 4. 5 times 5 is 25 and 4. 29. So it would be 29,520 miles. Got it? Okay, the next one is Georgetown had 762 people before it became a stop on the railroad. Now there are 422 more people living there. How many people live in Georgetown now? You have to add them. 7662 plus 442, I think. So just add them. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Write 0 over here and carry 1. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 1, 11, 1 and carry 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Now that means he has 8,104 total customers. 8,422. Sorry, I added 422. We have to add. 6 plus 2 is 8. So it is 8,184. 7662 and 442. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. You don't have any carry here. It would be 8,084. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. It would be so you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have covered 4 of the topics today. 2 of them are from the chapter percents. They are they are find total given apart and percent, and the final test from the chapter percents. Then we have started the mixed operations topic and we have covered 4 of the topics. They are mixed order of operations and add, subtract, multiply or divide two whole numbers, and the second one is add, subtract, multiply or divide two whole numbers word problems. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topics we did today. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. If you find the session helpful for you, please click on the like button right below the video. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.